Professionals in clinical trials understand that the science underlying the process is the root cause of both good and evil in the drug development world. The good is basically it's good science, and I say that as a mere simplification because there wouldn't be enough time to describe the whole design of a randomized clinical trial. The evil, and I use that term way too strongly, is that the public at large doesn't understand RCTs, which become a strong undercurrent to the overall negative perception wave of the public toward pharmaceutical companies. So anything that comes from pharma that appears negative, and there are bad apples, of course, and positive changes that need to be made, but it truly devolves public opinion from there. Usually, I think the people who understand clinical trials collectively roll their eyes every time someone in the popular media takes on clinical trials and subsequently portrays them negatively. It's like your crazy uncle, yeah, we know he's nuts, but what are you going to do? So when the New York Times op-ed included a piece on clinical trials, specifically related to oncology and results around Avastin presented at ASCO, the writer drew both praise and criticism. Some on social media thought it a great piece, and others that it failed to educate accurately on clinical trials. This piece links to a very well-stated opinion outlining each negatively presented piece in the op-ed piece, including an analysis of the dismal success rate for drug development. And apparently others felt the same about the op-ed piece and submitted their own letters to the New York Times, which were published here. And this was my favorite response to the letter. The failure to know whether treatments that don't work overall might help some patients is not a failure of clinical trials, but rather reflects our limited biologic understanding, the focus of basic research. This is the basis of misunderstanding. We are clearly just learning so much about biology, and personalized medicine is a huge move toward what will become the future of treatments. Companion diagnostics, theranostics, targeted deliveries wrapped up with qualitative evaluations of patient and clinician-reported outcomes are just steps we take now to the bigger picture of treatments. And for now, RCTs are all we have to justify the science.